everybody, this is Alyssa from Midland County Public Libraries, here with your next Fun Friday. Alright, today I'm going to show y'all how to make a origami penguin. First off, if you can tell, it's beautifully decorated for Christmas up here. You can thank that courtesy of Lisa. She didn't get to join us today, but hopefully she'll get to show y'all what she had planned next time. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, what y'all need, at minimum, you can get origami paper, or you can even do this with some regular paper. I like origami paper because it's double-sided and you get a different look from it. If all you have is regular printer paper, doesn't matter the color, all you do is make it into a square by folding it diagonal, lining up this side with this side, folding over, and then we're going to fold this part over along here, and then you can either cut this or you can do the crease or use your nail to get that nice and folded. Fold it back over the other side, crease again. I usually do this about 3 or 4 times. And then gently pull it apart, holding one hand close to this edge as you tug it. And then you have a square. Most origami, or pretty much all origami, comes from squares, so if you know how to do this, you're pretty much set on origami paper. And then when I made my penguin from single color paper, all I did was color in the parts that I wanted to be differentiated from the rest of the color of the penguin. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make this penguin using origami, something fancy like that. Alright, so what we're first going to do is we're going to use I'm going to call it the belly side of the paper that I want to be the belly of the penguin. And we are going to fold it diagonal on both sides. Open that back up, fold it diagonal again, matching up the corners. Alright, and we open that back up. Okay, and then we're going to line up this side with this center fold right here. Folding it diagonal. Trying and getting it all the way down to that point right there. And then we're going to do the same on the other side, matching up this side of the paper with the fold. Try and get matched up with that point. Oh, another way I did this too is I started these folds with 2 layers of paper, and I did all these folds with those papers still held together, and I got this penguin out of it. It does make it a little harder to fold, but it's an option if you don't have to or want to color it. Alright, back to the folds. Okay, unfolding. Alright, so we're going to fold over this side. We're going to take this point and go to this center of a fold right here. Okay. And then we're going to open that back up. Then we're going to take the point again and we're going to fold it to that fold that we just made. Alright. Now we're going to take this side right here and we're going to fold it over, matching up this corner here where my nail is, and try and keep it the fold straight across, lining up the end of the paper over here. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Taking this fold over here, lining it up to that corner right there, and then try and keep the fold even across so that this lines up with this. Alright, we're going to open it back up. I want to take this edge and line it up with the fold we just made. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the other side, taking this edge, lining it up with that fold. Alright, and now we're going to take this corner right here and we're going to fold it to that center point of the paper. Okay, then we're going to flip this over and we're going to fold this in half with this edge lining up with this edge. You want to keep it even so that this crease that you see right here lines up with this crease that's on the paper. So fold it, keep it even, line it up. Okay, and we're going to fold it, or we're going to turn it over with this point down. We are going to take this edge right here. We're going to fold it over. We want this point to meet up with the fold that's just to the other side of this center fold right here. So there's a little fold right here. You can't see it. It's right there. You'll probably see it better than I can on camera. That's where we're going to fold that corner to. Line it up. Okay. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Line up this corner to this crease. I'll draw on it so you guys can see. It's right here. And we want the fold to be about the same. Fold it over. There. Let's see. Okay. A little more. Okay, so when we fold these over, that's about how fat your penguin's going to be. So I'm going to go back to that side that we were folding and open it up. Alright, so we're going to start one side at a time, folding this back over, and crease this up. Okay, and we're going to take this edge, bring it over, fold it out till this corner meets up with this edge, and we want this edge right here to line up with this edge. Sorry, this is a more detailed origami than I've done before. Hope you all can see this. Okay, we're going to do the same with the other side. Fold that fold back over. I'm going to take this page, lining up that corner with this edge, keeping this edge parallel with this edge over here. Alright, so we got our wings starting out on our penguin right now. That's what it looks like on the other side. Okay, back over to the side we were working on. We are going to fold this side over lining up this edge with this edge. You can see, folding over that corner right here. Sometimes I put my nail in there so it can fold over nice and easy. Lining it up. Okay, we're going to do the same with the other side. Folding over this corner, lining up this edge with this edge right here. Folding it over from the corner. Nice. Okay. So if we look at the other side, his wings are looking a lot better, but penguins don't have very big wings, so we gotta trim them down. Okay, working back again on this same side. We're gonna fold over the wings just a little bit. Kind of keep this edge parallel with this edge right here. Don't go too far over, or you might lose his wings. I'm going to do the same on the other side. We want the wings to look similar in size, but it could look like he's waving high if he's got one wing bigger than the other. Alright, and if we look on the other side, his wings are a good size. Alright, 2 more folds on this back end. We're going to fold in these corners so we can round out our penguin a little bit. Just fold them in a little bit just to give him a little roundness at the bottom. And fold in this side too. Okay, and then the last fold, there's this little flap on the head of the penguin. So you'll see there's 2 folds of paper right here. We're going to fold over this side right here, over this, and it kind of holds down the wings. Alright, we got 2 more folds, and they're going to be on this side of the penguin. Look, he's almost done. Alright, all that's left is folding up his feet so he can stand up. And then he kind of looks cute like this already, but I'm gonna fold up his beak just a little bit, give him a little point. And then our penguin's pretty much done. So all that's left is to draw in their eyes. So you can just draw like a little circle or a long line. If you look at all my penguins, I kind of did all of their eyes a little differently. Some of them have a little bit of blush, some of them have eyelashes. So, and you can even color in this beak yellow, or you can leave it as is. So it's just kind of a fun project to do, and once you get it down, it can take a couple of tries. Once you get it down, you'll be making penguins for days, and they're always fun to give out to people. Have fun! See y'all next time.